In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change an image inside a component on Figma. First, open the Figma website in your browser. Once you're on the home page, go ahead and open your design file. This could be a project you're collaborating on or a personal file, but the process is exactly the same. When the file loads, give it a moment to render all layers so the interface responds smoothly. Next, select the image you want to change inside your component. Make sure you're clicking the actual image layer, not the frame or the component wrapper. A quick way to confirm you've got the right layer is to look at the right-hand sidebar. You should see a fill section, and it should show an image thumbnail. If you don't see that, you may be on the wrong layer and need to click deeper into the component until the image layer is selected. With the correct image layer selected, look at the fill section in the right panel. This is where Figma stores the image as a fill on that shape. Keep that panel visible because it helps you confirm what you're editing. Now, copy the image. The simplest approach is to press Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac OS while the image layer is selected. This copies the layer along with its image fill, which is exactly what we need. Now select the other image you want to replace, again making sure you're on its actual image layer so the fill section appears in the sidebar. When you're ready, paste with Ctrl+5 on Windows or Command+5 on Mac OS. Figma will replace the target layer's fill with the image you copied, keeping it inside the existing shape. You'll see the thumbnail update in the fill section, confirming the change. This works beautifully inside components and respects instance overrides, so you can update a single instance without affecting every instance, unless you're editing the main component, in which case all instances will inherit that change. If the new image looks cropped or too zoomed in, you can fine-tune it right in the fill section. Adjust the fit mode, such as fill or fit, or tweak the crop so the subject sits exactly where you want it. Keeping your layer selected while you adjust will help you see updates in real time. That's all you need. Open Figma, open your design, select the image layer, check the fill, copy, select the other image, and paste to replace. This quick copy and paste method is fast, keeps your component structure intact, and gives you clean, consistent results across your design.